It's amazing. Markets go from 100 miles an hour to zero in 24 hours. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Friday. Thank God it's Friday. It is February the 25th, and, we've got a market that is like on sleeping pills, okay? I mean, maybe it's taking Quaaludes. There's nothing going on. It's very quiet. They're higher, okay? But it is after yesterday's active day and major reversals in about 9 markets. We have gone to sleep today, but we are drifting higher. The Dow is up about 350. The NASDAQ is up 20 after being down over 100. Okay. S&P's up about 35 and the Russell's up about 40. We are short them all. Okay. I'm comfortable short them all. I think yesterday's rally and today's crappy follow through is nothing more than a dead cat bounce or short covering rally. So I would expect to see some much more selling. And of course, we've still got obviously weekend news over Russia. Now again, to me, even though I was wrong, it was still not, to me, a big ordeal. And I think this is more of a almost a facade, but we'll see. Whatever it is, it is. Again, it happened. I was wrong. That's it. In the meantime, okay, as we watch the current conditions in markets, okay, we have, not a hell of a lot going on. Okay. You've got gold and silver getting cranked. And interesting. I mean, again, this reversal yesterday was really interesting along with platinum. Now we're still long on both and I think they still look good, but I'm certainly getting a little bit concerned at the beatdown they're now taking after, they're $100 lower. Gold's $100 lower than it was yesterday at this time. Silver is almost $2 lower than it was yesterday at this time. That ain't good. Okay. Now again, we're still long at the moment. Bonds and notes, they're up a little bit. We're still short. You're in this period, you had that fear-based rally yesterday, which was totally artificial, followed by that closing lower on the day, which tells you interest rates are going up. You're seeing it run to the banks to get mortgages because people are worried about rates going up. So it's hard to buy a house right now. The dollar we've actually reversed is right now is lower and we reversed along this morning. Okay. Bitcoin is higher. Copper is up nicely. We're long. Nat gas is down. We're short. In the grain markets, did I say, crude did I mention? No, crude's down 91 cents. Okay. If I didn't mention, I'll mention it now. We're still long it. Okay. But as you look at the grain markets, okay, and grains today are, wheat's getting, let's put this way, the grains they're getting chopped up, they're getting granulated, okay, they're getting hammered today. But you expect that on occasion after you have these big moves. I mean, wheat's down 61 cents, monster move. Soybeans are down 46 and corn's down 25. And that is after being much higher overnight. Okay. Corn was up about 680 overnight. It's come down, down to, actually, where was it? It was actually almost over $7. Okay. It's an ugly picture right now. Okay. So again, it happens. It's part of markets. We're still long. It doesn't change anything. Okay. And in, the meat markets, in the proteins, feeder cattle is lower and we are short. Actually, I think it's higher. I think I misspoke. Okay. Feeders are higher. And of course, it has a lot to do with corn. Fats are higher. We are short fat feeders. Okay. Hogs are slightly lower and we are so long. Okay. And in the softs, cotton is getting cracked down a little bit. Makes sense, right? The other commodities. But certainly we're still long. Coffee, we are now short. It's flat to slightly lower. Sugar is lower, we're short. Cocoa is lower, we are short. And OJ is lower and we're short. So again, we'll see. Look, it's a very quiet market. It's painfully quiet. Just have a nice weekend. We'll be back on Sunday with Bubba's Bottom Line. relax. Don't force any action here today. It is, like I said, painfully quiet. Not much going on. And I think that it's just easier to check out my sponsors instead. That'd be a better idea. Capital Trading Group, Tradier, and Strategic Wealth Preservation, plus our high school program. In the meantime, have a great weekend, everybody. Be careful out there, and who knows where we're going today. This is, again, pathetic. There'll be a lot of stuff depending on what happened out of Russia. Why, it really doesn't matter. The sanctions are worthless. The entire situation is worthless. There's one thing that we could change the whole world with, and that's go back to fracking and shale producing. See you on Sunday, everybody. Have a great weekend. This is Bubba's Daily Update for Friday, the 25th of February.